What's up, fellow barflies?
Okay, what is that?
I don't know. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we are gonna be going through 3 nightcap cocktails. Thought it'd be kind of fun to do some nightcap cocktails. Nightcaps are cocktails that really don't get a lot of play. They're usually pretty strong. They're usually pretty stirred, they're not very citrusy, and so therefore they're more unpopular on the internet. But nightcap cocktails are a great way to end your evening. I find myself drinking them every now and again. So without further ado, let's get into it. Geology is a 35-time award-winning personalized skincare company recognized in Men's Health, Esquire, and Ask Men Grooming Awards. Geology creates simple and effective skin and hair care routines, customized just for you with ingredients that are proven to work. Their products are built around just a handful of powerful, proven ingredients that have been trusted by dermatologists for decades. Guys, let's not beat around the bush, okay? Geology is the best in skin, hair, and body care. They make award-winning products that'll cover all of your needs, from their affordable skin revitalizing vitamin C and E and ferulic acid serum to their 2-times award-winning co-wash and hair care products to their amazing smelling line of body wash and deodorant, which honestly have some of the best scents I have ever smelled. They are so natural and wonderful. And to make things even easier, Geology is now available in Target and Amazon, so if you want to go check that out, the link is below. So if you want a great deal on amazing skincare and hair care products, you can use my code and grab 70% off the skincare trial set, and then you can also get another 50% off add-on. So scan the QR code on the screen or go to the link below this video and type in BARFLY70 at checkout to claim your amazing deal. That's Geology, Geologie. First cocktail that we're gonna do today is the Pop Quiz. The Pop Quiz was created by Devin Tarby for the Varnish at some point in the 2000s. Devin Tarby was the head bartender at the Varnish for a long time while I was working at Kohl's. She's a very nice lady. And then she went on to work for Proprietors LLC, which is the company that Death & Company does all of their work through. So it's like their consult company. If you owned a bar and you wanted Death & Company to consult on the program, you would hire Proprietors LLC. So we're gonna build this in a glass. It's an old-fashioned style, and apparently it was created when Devin was challenged by a patron at the Varnish to create a cocktail with mole bitters. And so she used these Bitterman's mole bitters, which we're gonna be using, but you can use another brand of mole bitters if you want, or you can make your own. So we're gonna do 2 dashes, which is roughly equivalent to 40 drops out of the dropper, because these things have droppers. So that does seem kind of like a big dash, but that's okay.
40?
40 drops is two dashes.
2 dashes.
Yeah, 2 dashes, 40 drops. 20 drops per dash. And then we're gonna do half an ounce of Ramazotti Maro, which is a great choice because Ramazotti has cola nut in its makeup. So this is going to go very well with the chocolate notes in this drink. And then, of course, we're using the Old Grandad because I like to do higher proof bourbons for stirred drinks, especially ones with Amari and other big flavorful elements. 2 ounces of bourbon, your choice of bourbon, and 1/4 ounce of creme de cocoa, and a bar spoon of simple syrup, and then a big rock of ice. I'll let that temper for a second in there because I'm not sure it's fully tempered and I don't want it to crack like it did the other day. So I'm gonna give this a stir, and we're gonna give this, of course, an orange twist. Wow, I really had to work for the orange in that. Cheers. Whoa. Big and strong like bull. It's like big and strong chocolate notes. The bitters does a really nice job of taking the sweetness down quite a bit. You get all of that Amaro right in there. It's nice and bitter. And then the bitters playing into that. And it's just so well balanced. And then you got the bourbon, of course. You got a little 100 proof in there, so there's a little bit of heat in there. It is a fantastic drink. Holy moly, the Pop Quiz. Chocolate Negroni is a cocktail that was created by Naren Young. He did it at Dante when he was the head bartender over there, or running the program anyway. And this was well before chocolate and banana Negronis and Boulevardiers were popping up all over Instagram. We're gonna need a nice big rock of ice here. We're gonna just build this straight in the glass. Again, we're gonna use some chocolate bitters here. And we're just gonna go 3 dashes of chocolate bitters. 1/4 ounce Creme de Cacao. 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth. 3/4 ounce of Campari. 1 ounce of gin. Hopefully this is tempered enough not to crack. We're just gonna drop this in here and give it a stir. Take the least damaged, look at that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll just cut it away here and nobody will know that I took peels off of it. Then we're just gonna put it on the side of the glass like that. I don't think it needs a full orange wedge, but the orange, if you like bite it and drink this, is gonna be fantastic. Or you could just squeeze it in, I guess. Let's give it a taste. chocolate bitter goodness. It's everything that you want with a Negroni, but chocolatey. And then when you pare down that gin, you still get those botanicals, but it's really playing up the Campari. And then also those chocolate elements from the cacao, and then also those bitters are really, really enhancing that Campari. It's really nice. And then you also get those nice botanicals from the sweet vermouth, which gives it a little bit of viscosity and balance. It's a fantastic drink. There it is, guys. The chocolate Negroni. The nice one was created by New York City bartender Dan Greenbaum, who basically took the template of a bamboo, which is an old classic cocktail that takes a little bit of sherry and a little bit of vermouth and puts it together. And then he just added a little bit of banana for some tropical feel. And it is very easy to drink. Let's make it. So this is going to be one of the easier drinks that we do in this channel. So we're taking some banana liqueur. You can use this Giffard, or you can use the Tempest Future. It's also really nice in this as well. And we're just going to do half an ounce of banana liqueur, 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth, and 1.5 ounces of Amontillado Sherry. Just crack that first cube as we do, and maybe one more. We'll just add in there. Look at that. Look at that. This ice has been in the freezer. It's all frosted. It's been in the freezer too long. But it is only an ice freezer, so it's not compromised or anything. It's just ugly. And I'll give this a nice stir. Stir this down. For cocktails served up, you want to make sure that you have a nice frosty glass. And give it a twist. I think I'm going to just do a very short twist here, though, because it doesn't need a lot. Cheers. Oh, wow. The banana is everything in this cocktail. What a lot of Americans don't realize is that sweet vermouth is just fantastically good. It's a little bit sweet. It's got all these botanicals. You take that, then you add the tartness and the complexity of the sherry, and then you get a little bit of that banana, giving it that tropical kind of backbone, and you have a really nice full-flavored cocktail. Lower ABV, super easy to drink, and definitely something that I would want to have at the end of the night. So there it is, guys, the nice one. I mean, I basically just taught you how to make it now. I gotta check the specs one more time. What's up, fellow barflies?
Okay, what is that?
I don't know. So we're gonna do 2 dashes, which is roughly equivalent to 40 drops out of the dropper, because these things have droppers. So